Are you searching for the ideal handheld capping machine to speed up your bottling process and make your workflow smoother? In this video, we're counting down the top best handheld capping machines that combine power, precision, and convenience. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the ZONESUN ZOS600 handheld capping machine, a compact and efficient solution for capping needs. Made from durable stainless steel, it supports both 110 volt and 220 volt power with just 80 watts consumption. This SGS certified device features an adjustable clutch to prevent cap damage and reduce internal wear. Lightweight and easy to use, it handles 30 to 90 bottles per minute. With customizable cup capacity, it's ideal for small to medium production lines. Perfect for streamlining your bottling process with precision and ease. Item number 4. Introducing the ZONESUN SG1550 handheld electric capping machine, a lightweight portable solution for tightening and loosening bottle caps. Made from stainless steel, it operates at 220 volts with 80 watt power. The adjustable clutch prevents cap damage and reduces internal wear. Suitable for cap sizes from 10 to 30 millimeters, it delivers a capping speed of up to 25 bottles per minute. Ideal for various high-strength bottle caps, this reliable tool ensures efficient, damage-free sealing every time. Item number 3. This ZONESUN handheld electric capping machine is designed for quick and easy cap tightening and loosening. Made of durable stainless steel, it features an adjustable clutch to prevent cap damage and reduce internal wear. Lightweight and portable, it supports cap sizes between 10 to 50 millimeters and 28 to 32 millimeters, with customizable options available. Ideal for small to mid-scale operations, it offers a fast capping speed of 30 to 90 bottles per minute, making it a reliable choice for efficient sealing. Item number 2. Introducing the portable ZONESUN handheld electric capping machine. Designed for efficient screw cap tightening and loosening, it features an adjustable clutch that prevents cap damage and reduces plug wear. Suitable for a cap diameter range of 10 to 50 millimeters, it boasts a production capacity of 30 to 90 bottles per minute, depending on proficiency. Operated on AC 220/50/60 Hz at 100 watts power, it delivers consistent torque of 64 to 32 kg/Nm. Compact at only 1 kg of net weight and conveniently sized at 7 to 30 centimeters. Experience precision, efficiency, and reliable performance. Item number 1. Introducing our canning machine for drinks. Designed for precision bottle cap tightening and loosening. Featuring dual rotation functionality, it effortlessly rotates both clockwise and counterclockwise to meet your needs. Its adjustable height accommodates 11 centimeters tall bottles and various cap shapes for a secure fit. With a compact, portable tabletop design, complete with a handle and a convenient positioning bracket, it's ideal for the food, daily chemical, and cosmetics industries. Experience reliable performance, enhanced usability, stable positioning in one machine. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.